How to make multiple YouTube channels under one Gmail or Google account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there. Here, as you can see, I already have one account related to this email ID already. So if I want to create a new account, you can simply tap on the create a new channel option you see there, and all that you have to do is select the profile picture and add in the profile picture, but you can do it later if you want. You will then have to enter your name and YouTube will automatically give a handle for you. If not, you can also switch or change the handle as per your preference, and finally tap on the create channel option you see there, and with this, just like that, as you can see, the new YouTube channel has been created under the same Google account. So this was about how you can make multiple YouTube channels under one Gmail or Google account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.